Hey guys, it's me Max, and today I'm going to be playing some more Future Tycoon with my friend Medster.
Yeah, what's up, guys? I'm Medster.
We did another one, but I forgot that I had to do an outro and all that stuff. So
Yeah, well, my computer just closed. So
yeah,
I guess we'll restart on this game.
yeah, and I'll be
Someone kill me.
I'll be the owner, and you be the worker.
No, I'm the owner. I'm the owner. Because you started, it means that I'm the owner.
Fine.
Stop right there. I'm the owner. You're
I
the
know.
worker.
I'm getting a worker.
Sure.
Well, at least now that we know we're
Yes, I'm the owner.
Now,
okay, let's go.
well, at least, oh my gosh, I have a free $80 in my bank.
No, wait, I want to see how much. I have none. You stupid.
Okay,
Okay, so guys, if you liked the video, please leave a like. Okay, yeah, please leave a like, and if you want to see
more
Cat's
collabs.
perspective or Matthew's perspective.
Maddox's
Oh, Maddox's perspective. Go in the description. I'll put a link.
And if you
So,
want to see Medsters, I'll put a link in the description.
yeah. Yo,
And
guys,
also
go and watch mine. Go and watch mine because mine is better quality.
Hey, you always
True.
say that, but it is true. I need a better computer, but got a full bank account.
Okay, nice. I have 2 droppers now.
Okay, I could probably afford like 3 droppers now.
Okay, the first who can get rid of all the stuff
wins.
The first one who did his 111 buttons left. Buttons.
I have 108 left.
You lagged.
I have 108 buttons left. Now I have 107.
Yeah, same.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna try and see if I have it. I can get any.
It's because of your.
What? It's because of my what?
Red dropper. Go.
Hold
on. Green upgrader. I think I'm gonna go.
You're lagging.
Okay, I'm gonna kill.
Dang it, I can't even get a VIP.
Oh no.
Oh no. Who can say your boy got the free taco? You already know.
Epic white neon lightning.
I have 580 points. Who can say oh my gosh. Yeah, if you guys want to see my cousin's perspective, if he even joins, go over to his channel. I'll put the link in the description.
You already said that.
No, I said my cousin.
Oh, cousins, okay. But he's not joining.
I said if he joins.
Oh.
What
okay.
Are you?
Oh. I'm stretching.
I have 107 buttons left.
Okay. Yeah, but you have less buttons than me. I have 108.
I have 106.
I'm buying the upgrader.
I need to get the upgrader.
Yeah, it's super awesome.
Yeah, it's
green upgrader. You got the green up.
I have one death.
Hey! Someone's here! Someone's here!
Okay.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
I got him. I'm gonna get him. I got him. I got him.
Kill him! Kill him!
You're lagging.
No, I'm not.
You were.
You were too.
Okay. I have 106 buttons left.
106? I have 100.
Also, I did start before you.
Okay, now I have 100. I bought lights.
Okay, I got the upgrader.
So you have one.
Now I have 105. I have 1K points. If we're quiet, if we get quiet, that means we're focusing.
Yeah, true. I'm concentrating so I can get more money.
More money than me.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
more.
I have 106.
I have
Fine.
104
Stupid.
buttons left. Now I have a gear stand. So that means I have 103 buttons left.
I'm 104 now. I'm just gonna buy all the things that are next to me.
Okay, I'm gonna get
All the
pathways. Alright.
Oh no, all one. Go.
I have 2 buttons left. If you want to like subscribe to us, that would be helpful. Oh my gosh. So he lagged out. Probably. So hold on. Register. Okay. I have 3K cash, guys. I'm trying to save so I can get everything. Some stuff. Hello?
I don't know why my computer keeps
Turning on. Closing? Yeah. I'm still
I'm gonna
playing.
stop trying.
I'm still going.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Cool.
Are you gonna get back on? Medster?
Yeah.
Okay. I really hope nobody, like, gets your spot in the tycoon.
What did you say?
I really hope nobody gets your spot in the tycoon.
Yeah, but I'm not coming back.
Why?
Because I'm gonna play some Minecraft.
Why?
Because, I don't know.
Well, we can't play together. Hello?
Papa, t'as pas regardé la feuille qui est sur ma porte? Parce que la dernière fois, t'avais rentré puis j'étais en train de filmer.
Alright. In like 4 minutes, I'll just like make the outro. Okay. 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 Alright, please make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and slap the bell, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!